Welcome to Xplorer. Today, we are looking at the all-new Vivo V40 Pro. Vivo has consistently delivered innovation in its smartphones, and this time, they are back with a device packed with cutting-edge features, sleek design, and some major camera upgrades. Let's take a deep dive into what the Vivo V40 Pro brings to the table. Let's start with the design. Vivo has always focused on aesthetics, and the Vivo V40 Pro is no different. It sports a premium glass back with curved edges that seamlessly blend into the metallic frame, giving the device a futuristic yet comfortable feel in hand. Available in striking colors like Aurora Blue and Midnight Black, the V40 Pro is a visual stunner. On the front, we have a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This not only delivers a super smooth experience but also ensures punchy colors and deep blacks, thanks to the HDR10 Plus support. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching Netflix, or simply scrolling through social media, this display is built to impress. Powering the Vivo V40 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, one of the latest and most powerful processors available. Built on a 4nm architecture, it delivers top-tier performance without compromising on efficiency. With 12GB of RAM, and the ability to expand to 16GB via Vivo's extended RAM 3.0 feature, this phone is equipped to handle anything you throw at it. In terms of storage, the device offers up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing faster read-write speeds for your apps and data, making everything feel snappier. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the Vivo V40 Pro, the cameras. Co-engineered with ZEISS optics, this phone is equipped with a 50MP quad camera system. The main sensor is a 50MP Sony IMX921 with exceptional low-light performance, capable of capturing crystal-clear images day or night. Additionally, we have a 50MP ultra-wide lens, offering a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscape shots or large group photos. The third camera is a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This allows you to zoom in on distant objects while preserving clarity. Finally, the fourth lens is a portrait sensor with advanced ZEISS bokeh effects for stunning background blur. The camera software also includes features like Super Night Mode, Pro Sports Mode, and Ultra HD Video, making this device a versatile option for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about the battery. The Vivo V40 Pro is packed with a 5000 mAh battery, more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy usage. But that's not all. Vivo's 100W flash charge technology means you can go from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes, ensuring you never have to worry about running out of juice. Additionally, the device supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge your accessories or even another phone. On the software side, the Vivo V40 Pro runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. Vivo's FunTouch OS has made strides in providing a cleaner, smoother user experience, with less bloatware and faster transitions. The OS brings new customization features, allowing users to tweak everything from the lock screen to the app drawer. Thanks to Multi-Turbo 6.0 technology, gaming is even smoother, with system resources optimized for high-performance tasks. And for privacy-conscious users, FunTouch OS offers advanced privacy settings, giving you more control over your data and app permissions. The Vivo V40 Pro is packed with the latest connectivity features, including 5G Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. You also get an in-display fingerprint scanner for quick and secure unlocking, and stereo speakers with support for high-res audio and Dolby Atmos, delivering an immersive audio experience whether you're watching a movie or listening to music. The Vivo V40 Pro is truly a powerhouse smartphone, offering a blend of style, performance, and camera innovation that sets it apart in the flagship market. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone who simply needs a reliable all-around device, the V40 Pro ticks all the right boxes. With an expected starting price of $900, this flagship from Vivo is ready to challenge the competition. What are your thoughts on the Vivo V40 Pro? Is this your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech content.